PRNC is a major nickel plant in New Caledonia. It has been established since the 20s, and now we are producing nickel hydroxide cake for the battery market. I'm Jacques Montserrat. I'm the operation readiness manager, and I was in charge of the commissioning and preparation of the operation of the Lucy project, which is part of the PRNC major project for the dry stacking of residue. We are in a very unique environment. We have a park all around the plant, and we need to take care of this vegetation. We know that we cannot have a zero impact, but we need to really minimize this impact on the vegetation by doing a dry stack of the residue compared to a wet storage. We start first with a demo plant that was installed to do all the testing and to really determine the criteria of the future plant. It was at this period that McLanahan was contacted, and they came here to do some testing to confirm the preliminary sizing. We end up with a final design with some particularity to really match what we need here. First, the thickener was delivered here, assembled here by a local company with the assistance of one or two engineers of McLanahan that came here just to make sure that the construction was going well. So the thickener was started in the 5th of May 2023, and since we have operating the last 6 months of 23, we had quite a smooth operation. The process of the Lucy project, it's simple in terms of chemistry. We get the residue from the nickel plant, from the hydromet plant. First, we thicken. So we are using two big high torque thickener from McLanahan, 38-meter diameter each. So we thicken the slurry, and this thickened slurry is sent to a bank of filter to make the dry cake. The performance of the thickener is really a key point that we are monitoring. On this side, we have been quite happy with the results that we get. We have been satisfied with the design, with the support, and with the equipment at the end.